What's up, fuck? Hey guys, thank you for joining us. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install diff cover bushings. So the first step is going to be to remove the old bushings from your diff cover. You can do this without the diff cover installed on the actual diff, but I already have it sealed with the new fluid in this one, so I'm going to do it on it. It'll be easier to have it removed and do it on the press. Or you can burn them out, hammer them out, up to you. I'm going to use my specialty tool to do it. So when you're pressing out these bushings, you want something that's pretty much just slightly smaller, but also lines up with the outer race of the bushing. Just because if you get something that's smaller, what it'll do is just blow out the rubber part of it. So this one looks like it lines up pretty well on the race. So we're gonna try this one out. So now that it's all nice and set up, I'm just gonna go ahead and start spinning this nut to push the bushing out. So there you have it, that's one down. Gonna repeat on the other side, and then I'll show you how to install the new bushings. So after you remove the factory bushings, you want to go ahead and clean the inside of the actual diff cover. Make sure there's no scuffs, no nothing. If you did scuff it, you want to go ahead and get some sandpaper, just sand it down, smooth it out. You don't want to go too deep though. So I have the new setup, so the ears actually go on the outside of the diff cover. So you want to come in from this way. And then we'll set up this one here, that one there, and this nut right there. Now this is just the way I'm doing it. You can use a press. Some people use a rubber mallet and smack them in. All depends what you have accessible, what you have experience with. Even like AutoZone or O'Reilly's, Pep Boys, they all have like rental tools that you can use to perform this job with a specialty tool. Now you want to stop when the actual ear makes contact with the diff cover. You don't want to overdo it or possibly damage the bushing itself. So I'm gonna give it maybe one more pump, and that's it. Just back it off. So it's nice and flat on this side, nice and flat on this side. And there's no indent that I was overpressed. That's how you want it. Now it's the same process on the other side. So what I did do is I actually used a stack of washers to pretty much make it flush with the race to the outside of the actual bushing. So I'm not just pushing on the race alone or just on the outside. It'll be an even press on the race and the actual bushing itself. Well, there you have it. It's a bit of somewhat of a big job depending on what tools you have and your skill level, but straightforward. Just remember the bushings come in from the outside of it. Make sure it's flush, don't overpress it, and you'll be good to go. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.